Hello. Welcome. Welcome back to the basement. Something has come between us. The bin that I spoke of. Oh, it's here. Okay. It need not be right there. Oh. I just gotta have it where I can get into it and kind of sort things. Here's an interesting thing. I think I will send this away to Mr. Richard. It's like a pipe vise. And I'm not sure. Well, I guess it could go on a bench that way so that you could have something in there. Or I suppose it could go that way. I'm not sure. Anyway, there seems to be a little tag on here. Don't know why. Ooh, it's made in England. Oh, and when you, okay. And when you open it, you can flip it open. And then flip it down, clamp it, and squeeze. So, yeah, I guess that would be something to do with pipe things. Alright. We'll send that away. And the rest of the stuff in here, there's more little fencing things. And that would be, I think, to use like a piece of metal with holes to maybe fasten two pieces of wood together or get something to stay. That could be handy. More eave trough bits. I think that's a lot of what's in here. Oh my. Now there are some washers. Some little, those I'll just set aside for the moment. Ooh. Now here, you can hear the squeakiness. It's an old brass hose nozzle. Looks like someone tried to use some pliers on it. It does feel a little stiff. I wonder if it comes all the way out, and it does not. Anyway, you know what? Interesting as it is, I'll send it away. Well, here's more little things to go with the eave trough nails. And there's some more eave troughy things in here. Here's a hinge. Here's another thing I'll send away. I think I'll send that hinge away. And a lot of this we've seen before. It's another U-clamp thing. These could also be used if you're having trouble with a car and exhaust things. And I think I will send them. Oh, there's another one. I'll send them away. The eave trough stuff. Another one. Goodbye. The eave trough stuff. I may have some issues here to deal with. Here's another big eye thing. Good if if you put them on something. Actually, I once did an art piece for a play. It was supposed to look like a dock. And indeed, we used some things like this to hang things on to make it look like it was not just built for the play, but it actually, did things. Here are some carriage bolts. 1/4 by 1.5. There they are, still in the package. They can go. And the rest of it looks like much the same sort of thing, except this is different. That's a big thing that you could then maybe hook something. I suppose maybe there are places like this or things like this, places where if you show up with your dog and you have to leave your dog outside, you could clip it to for a moment. Not long. It's big. It's heavy duty. I'm trying to think what else I would possibly do with it. I would send it away. And there's another fence bit. Oops. Don't want to step on that. Oh, more fence things. And here are some mighty big washers. Mighty big washer. Well, two mighty big ones. One kind of small one. That too. I'll send away. And what else do we have? More nails. More eave trough things. Oh, another fence piece. Eave trough end. Eave trough ends. Eave trough ends. Oh, more of these. Oh, I hate when I do that. More little cable dude things. And that, except for more of the same, and there's not much, it's almost empty. It's pretty much it. So I'm going to try to get nails and things to go into the cans that they might belong in. Oh. I think these things that go around the nails for each troughs, they might be called hosels. You know what? That's not going to go well. I'm going to set that there. That's not going to go well. And then I suspect what I should do is do wayward screws. And they can go in the box. I should probably take this and clean it out. There's just a little, yeah, I'll dump that in the box. Alright, so that is a successful operation. An empty Rubbermaid container, which, you know what, I do want to use this again, but not with heavy stuff that gets it so heavy that it's too heavy to be workable. I do, so I just don't want to put this stuff back into it. I will find other boxes for this stuff. I shall. And actually, you know what? Some of the vintage stuff I might put online, like the things to climb a pole with and stuff. That, yes, interesting. Perhaps wall hangers or photography things or other things that somebody out there, they might not even know they want until they see them. We'll see. Anyway, this I have to figure out. I have a bunch of these. Once again, I cannot get them so full that they cannot be used. So I feel there is some success going on here. I have a whole box of stuff to go away to Richard. And I will evaluate the rest. I shall. Right now, I think I'll go do other things and look for boxes to put these in, which I will carefully mark. I've got, actually right now I'm filming off a pile of boxes that I put together of things that I have been gathering. I did. You don't always need a fancy tripod. And this, oh yeah, this might be good for some vintage magazines. Perhaps even vintage magazines of, what would they call them? Some of them were called Entertainment for Men. Can you imagine? All right. Now I've got to tidy this mess. And this one, the box that's absolutely going, I will move out to the car. So I know that it is going. And that when Richard pops by, and he will pop by sometime this week, I can say, there you go, enjoy. Right. So have a lovely day. I'm going to try, there's one of those fence piece things here that didn't make it in the box. I'm going to do my best not to step on it. Oh! Oh! But this may not be easy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.